In this video we will cover starting and operation of the line trimmer.
Okay, as we showed in the previous video, the unit has been filled with fuel, and we've also put the required amount of oil in the sump. Always check to make sure that the oil has been, or the correct level of oil is in the sump of the motor, or damage will occur. Okay, there's a couple of things we need to look at on the starting. First of all, this is the on-off switch. Right, to start and to operate the line trimmer or brush cutter, this needs to be in the start or run position, which is towards the motor of the trimmer. For starting it, we need to engage the starting throttle, so it's a matter of pressing down the trigger lock, squeezing the trigger all the way and pushing down on the lock system and then releasing, like so. As we can see now, the trigger lock is locked into position. Just so that I can show you how to release it with the motor not running, it's only a matter of then, after the motor's running, to release the lock is just to pull on the trigger, like so, and that will release the lock. So just squeeze the trigger slightly, let it go, and the unit will come back to the idle position. But for starting, once again, throttle lock down, pull on the trigger all the way, push the button down, and then slowly release the trigger below, and it will stay in position. So that's ready now for starting. Then we come to the back of the motor. There is a bulb here. This is a priming bulb which is needed to draw the fuel up initially from the tank into the motor. So we just pump that 6 to 10 times. You can't over pump it, like so, and you can see the fuel sitting in the bulb there. Choke, suggest to move for the first starting, move the choke to the upward position, and that's full choke. So now it's only a matter of pulling on the cord firmly, and we're looking for the motor just to either cough, start and continue to run. And then after it's running, we let it warm up for a short time and then move the choke down. So let's give it a go. We've got the switch in the on position, the trigger lock is in the start position, she's primed, choke on, like so. We just let that warm up a little bit, like so, and then slowly move the choke downward all the way. Now to release the trigger lock, it's only a matter of, again, just squeezing on the trigger and then releasing, like so. And now it's idling. Now, just a couple of things on the trigger. At the moment, we're idling and there's no rotation at all of the cutting head. To engage the cutting head, we need to increase the speed. To increase the speed, we push down on the trigger lock and squeeze on the trigger. And as we increase the speed, so the cutting head will rotate. The more we squeeze, the faster it goes. To slow it down, you can slow it down slowly, like so. Just release it. Now to stop the line trimmer, it's only a matter of sliding the switch forward, like so.